Hey everyone, so I am going to do a second positivity passport for July. On Instagram, Tashiana Gordon decided to kind of lead the charge for starting a July positivity passport, and I was already doing one for June, so I decided I'd just get a second one, that way I can do July as well. So I am gonna dive right into making a July one, and I hope you are continuing to enjoy my process videos for these. I'm not going to go over the contents because I did that already, but I am excited to once again focus on just the little positive things in life right now. All right, so for my first notebook, I used a lot of washi tape kind of as my foundation kind of, and where I drew colors, and I don't think I'm going to do that this time. I think I'm going to try something a little different. I made some mixed media papers, and I am going to try out using these. I am going to link the tutorial that I got, which was from a Everyday Explorers creative team member, Felicitas. She has an excellent tutorial, and these are super simple to make, and I absolutely love them. So I think I'm just going to punch out shapes and cut little strips of them or something like that. Incorporate these instead and try that. I may even take a digital copy and turn it into a sticker and use that instead. So I don't know, but I'm excited to use something a little bit different. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get started, stop talking, and switch over to the voiceover. Okay, I hope you enjoy. Okay, so this first video for the July positivity passport's gonna be super quick. I was playing around with the design and trying to figure things out, so I kind of got a jump start, and I kind of know where I want things to go. I'll be using this sticker paper to punch out my shapes. I figured that way it will make the notebook not as thick if I use sticker paper. So I just took a digital copy of my mixed media pages and then used sticker paper to punch out the shapes. And right here I'm just trying to create a little scallop border, but it's not going the way I want it to go. So I'm just lifting up the photo, and I'm going to add a bigger circle. I think the problem was down there is that I wanted a more green filled circle. I'm going to go ahead and stamp some sentiments. I think I had this is worth remembering, and then nailed it because July started off a little rough, but that's nothing that a McFlurry treat cannot fix. Oh my gosh, I'm still a little kid. Give me a McFlurry and I will be thrilled. And then I also have a fun little hike that we went on, and so I went with green. So for most of this July positivity passport, I will be sticking with monochromatic and also just using my stickers that I have made. Right here, I'm stamping a little forest with multiple colors of green since we were in the forest. And I also fussy cut out a sticker that said "More please." And I am stamping "Yum, so good," and then I'll fussy cut out the rest of the stamped sentiments, and also stamp my date with a roller stamp that I have. I love that stamp. It's so much fun, and you can stamp it like a few times and it still has lots of ink. So here is the second one that I am going to make, and like I said, I had already glued down some of the pictures, especially for the 4th of July. I was trying to figure out how I wanted those pictures to lay down on for 4th of July, because I'd never done 2 photos for 4th of July. So I was kind of like, how am I going to figure this out? Anyways, I cut out all the ones for the first spread. Now I'm going to move on to the second spread. So I did a face mask while my daughter and I were having a fun girls' night. And so I went with green, and I'm totally okay if I look like Slimer from, Ghostbusters. Totally okay with that. I stamped Friday several times, and then for 4th of July, I stamped the day for that, which was Saturday, and then I just turned it sideways to stamp it. And I also made a 4th of July mixed media paper, so that's what I'm using here. Okay, so these are the first pages for my July positivity passport. I know I'm way behind on sharing them, but I hope you are gonna enjoy this new series and seeing all these pages come together. So this was these first two and then this one, and I'm just gonna use all my mixed media stickers I made and also my Everyday Explorer Co. stamp. Love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you're new to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.